Okay, I post this my homemade bike and someone drop this comment. You try, but remember, if that get accident once, nothing will remain. Well, as a biker, we know the wish make we get accident, not at all. But that's not true. Okay, that's not true. Okay, check this out. You see those pipe? This is 6 mm. As it's showing 6 point something, is 6 mm. Okay, now let's check a Honda CUB. You see Honda CUB? Honda CUB pipes are 4 mm, and this is the same steel. They are pretty strong pipes. And you can see Honda CUB has one rod, but mine have two. Even though if cut one, the other one will still hold it. This thing is pretty strong. Believe me, I don't wish accident, but if this thing have an accident with an Honda CUB will definitely pieces. People are asking me that, hey Lubem, how do you bend all those pipes? You don't even have a bending machine. How do you bend the pipe? Since you don't have bending machine, it means you are using a local material. That's why you are able to bend those pipes. No, those materials I'm using are pretty hard materials. Okay, the only thing we do is say we use our forefather sense. As we don't get a machine, we use our forefather sense. We do it manually. Now we have to bond the irons. After we bond the irons, we go bend down. This is hard iron, though. We go bend down. After you bend down, now you go dig ground, come bury those irons. So it will become a harder iron back. So if you want to watch and learn how I build all those bikes, kindly check my YouTube channel, Lubem TV. There you will watch a lot of videos on how I build different kind of motorcycle from the beginning to finish, and you will watch and learn for absolutely free. So kindly check my YouTube channel.